Watch me gather 10,000 proxies for free. This is Sasmedia Studio. Make sure you subscribe. If you want this kind of content, give me some like. And those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can send 20,000 of emails, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Make sure you go and check out that course. Now let's get into it. Now, before that, those who want to buy tools like SMTPs, webmails, cPanels, LDPs, just check out shop.smartivatepro.com, right? And you're going to find bulk tools, amazing tools over there, right? So now, this is what we are going to do. We are going to use free directories or online directories, you understand, and we are going to gather proxies from that directories, right? Then we are going to use an extractor to extract those proxies. Then you are going to also check the proxies or validate the proxies to check if they are dead or still alive, you understand. So I am going to open my notepad. Right, whatever tool I use, I'm going to leave it at the description. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to the tool, you understand, or the resources. So now the first resource is this particular repository, you understand. So this is from Database Labs, right? And these are free proxies. So at the left side you can see we have HTTP proxies, we have HTTPS proxies, and we have SOX5 proxy. So now I'm going to select all the HTTP proxies. So Ctrl+A to select everything, then Ctrl+C to copy, and I'm going to paste it in here. Now when you check at the bottom over here, you can see that we have LN, which means line, and the line is 1777. So we are getting 1777 only from the HTTP, you understand, text. Now when I click on HTTPS, we are going to get the same thing. So when I just Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C, I can just copy it. Then I'm going to add it over here. Then Ctrl+V to paste it. And now we have 3,886 proxies now. When I click on SOX5, right, and I'm going to copy this as well. Ctrl+A to select all, Ctrl+C to copy. Then next line, I'm going to Ctrl+V to paste it, and now we have 5,362, and this is only the first repository. Even though we have 5 repository, this is the first one we have checked, and we have already gotten 5,362,000. All right, 62. Right now, people will be like, repository, why repository? Now when you check this section, it says auto update, right? And you can see this is 2025 and we are in November 18th, right? And that is when I'm shooting the video, right? Maybe you are going to see this video in future, but I'm making it this date. So when you go to the website, make sure you check out the date, right? So the last updated date is today, exactly 2 minutes before creating this video, you understand. So that is it. So the next one is this one, and this is from the Abrasha, right? The Abrasha or the Abda Proxy Hub, right? So yes, so we have the HTTP proxy, we have the HTTPS proxy, we have the SOX4 proxies, and we have the SOX5 proxy, right? So I'm just going to click on the HTTP proxy, and I wait for it to load, and I'm going to click here, Ctrl+A to select all, Ctrl+C to copy, right? Come to next line, Ctrl+V to paste, and now we have 48,000. 48,000, right? You can just come to proxy, all right, HTTP proxy over here, then Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C to copy, right? Come here, come to the next line and paste this, and we have 96,000. We can come to SOX4 proxies, right? Then Ctrl+A to select, Ctrl+C to copy, then come here, come next line, Ctrl+V to paste, and we have 104,000 proxies, right? Come here, come to SOX5 proxies, then Ctrl+A to select or Ctrl+C to copy, come here, then paste it over here, and we have 109,000 825 proxies. Right now we need to validate them or check them if they are all alive. So this is how you can grab proxies. Now when you check, you can check the date over here. It says generated by this guy, and this is the GitHub repository, and look at the date. It's the same date, 25th November 18th. All right, and it is just 3 minutes ago. Right, yes. The next one is this one by Van Dev, and this is proxy list. Okay, and you can check it out. So we have the HTTP, we have the HTTPS, we have the SOCKS 4, and we have SOCKS 5. Make sure you check this out as well. Right, so for this there's no date over here. Right, so let me click on proxies over here, and let's see when it was last updated. So it was last updated 2 hours ago, so that means today. All right, it's only SOCKS 5 which was last updated last year. So don't copy SOCKS 5. You can copy and test. Right, the next one is this risk by Rooster Kid. Right, so open proxy list, and this is it. We have the HTTPS, we have HTTPS raw, we have SOCKS 4, SOCKS 4 raw, SOCKS 5, SOCKS 5 raw, we have the V2 Ray and whatever. Right, we have base 4, and let's check the last updated. So the last updated is 2025 November 11th. Okay, so which was 4 at DMT +7. Right, so yes, so today that it made this, so you can just copy this and you add it to your proxy list. You understand? Come to SOCKS 4 and you copy, and you can see the date is still today's date. Right, the next one is this one, which is from the proxy fly. Right, and this one, it also has only the data.txt. Right, so it has a lot of data here. When I scroll to the button, it has more than 1,000 data over here. So it has 2,970 data. When I scroll to when I scroll up, you can see it is Tuesday, November 18th, right, which is today, 2025. Right, so yes, so these are all latest. So they keep on updating their data, they keep on updating it, they keep on updating it. You understand? So you can get free proxies from this website. Now after getting your proxies, you can use these two to so you can use these two to extract the proxies, and you can use these two to check the proxies. So with these two over here, it is going to extract proxies, right? But this is not a raw proxy, like a raw data. This is real proxies. So that means you are not going to extract it. You can see it has the IP and the port, and the port. So there's no need for us to extract, right? You can just continue checking them. So I can just click here, right? So which is 23,000. I'm going to there come to the next line. I'm going to copy. It's too many. Okay, so I'm going to just come to the next line, click here, go up. All right, then click here, Ctrl+C to copy. Right, come here, come to this website, which is gologin.com. They are proxy check. I'll leave the link at the description. So just click on plain text over here, then paste it over here. Right, then just click on check proxy, and it is going to check if the proxy is alive or dead. You understand? So make sure you do this continuously, so you gather all the proxy lists that you want. All right, so I don't know why it is taking time. So the website is down. If this doesn't work, I have another option for you. We have this by proxy scrap. Right, yes, this you can paste it here, then you can click on check proxies, and it is going to check proxies for you. Right, it is going to check for you, and oh wow, we have a lot of unknown or dead proxies, and this is SOCKS 5. This is SOCKS 5. We have one SOCKS 5 over here. You have HTTP. They are working proxies in there, and there are lots of dead proxies. Right, so you can keep on checking all the proxies that you have, right, to see the valid ones. So this is how you can gather like more than 20,000 proxies. Right, so that's what I taught in this video. First of all, we talked about repositories that update their data every day or every minute, just to give you updated proxies. You can copy all these proxies into your notepad, and you can use either this website, which we tried and it failed, right, or this website, which is proxyscrap.com, to check the live proxies. So after you check your live proxies, scroll down and click on download proxies. Now when you click on download proxy, you can see it has downloaded a proxy. When I click on here, it has downloaded all the valid proxies. When I scroll down to the button and I click here, you can see we have 106 proxies or working proxies that we can use. Right, so that is basically how you can grab more than 20,000 of proxies. Those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server, I have a course on Udemy that can help you to create an SMTP server that can send 20,000 of emails. Right, make sure you check that course out. I'll leave the link at the description, also at the first comment. Those who want to buy tools. Now, those who want to bulk check your proxies, like the proxies that we checked over here is more than 100,000 of proxies, right, that you are able to grab. So if you want to check all these proxies, I have a special tool that can help you to check them in bulk. So if you want this to, just check the description, my contact details are there, get in contact with me, and it is not free, it's just $50, right? Yes, if you come, we'll talk about it very well, don't worry. So basically I can give it for $30, don't worry, for my people, $30 is cool. So basically this is what we learned in this video, and thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments or suggestion at the comment section. Bye bye.